best school leaders share a clear vision that has improving teaching and learning at its heart. They communicate high expectations of pupils and of staff achievement. They encourage professional learning and create a culture where staff feel valued and supported. Well-being is a priority and they protect staff from excessive workloads. The most successful school leaders manage change well. They plan what's best for their school by thinking about what's happening generally in education and how this relates to their school. They inspire their teachers to take considered risks in trying out new approaches. Mistakes and problems are seen as opportunities for learning. Strong leaders also ensure that monitoring the quality of teaching is centred on the progress pupils make over time. The concept of schools as learning organisations is being used more and more by leaders striving for excellence. Many successful schools nurture their own future leaders. The most effective leaders use tried and tested ways to identify the school's strengths and areas for improvement. They establish an open culture of self-evaluation that uses first-hand evidence and pupils' outcomes. Crucially, in these schools, all staff understand their own contribution to the school's improvement processes. In the best schools, governors work with leaders to set the strategic direction, get involved in evaluation, and seek evidence to understand the school's priorities for improvement.